Welcome back on our series on designing 3D printed polymer clay cutters. In today's episode, we'll be diving into the basics of 3D design using Fusion. I will walk you through the essential tools and features of Fusion so you can start creating your own designs. If you never used Fusion before, don't worry. We will take it slow and by the end you will be able to design. Let's begin by taking a look at Fusion's interface. When you first open Fusion, it will automatically open a new design. On the right-hand side, you can see the cube. This is to rotate the view. And on the left-hand side, you have your browser. Here you will see the planes, and also when you continue to work, your sketches and your bodies will be added here. These are the basic planes. We will be working on this one, but I will show you this in a minute. In Fusion, everything is based on sketches. The sketch is basically a 2D drawing that we will later turn into a 3D model. Think of it like drawing the outline of your design on paper, but in a 3D space. To create a sketch, click on Create a Sketch up here. It will open this little explanation. You will be prompted to select a plane to draw on, as I said, and we will be using this one, which is the XY plane. This will put us into the top view. Let's start with something simple like a circle. Here is the circle tool. And now you can place your circle wherever you want, but I prefer to work on the center point, so click here and then drag it out. You can now just drag it out to the dimension you want or enter whatever you want to use. Let's go with 25 millimeter. If you want to change this dimension in hindsight, just double click on it and type in whatever you want. And this is it. You made your first sketch. Now that we have our basic shape, it's time to extrude it into a 3D object. Extrusion is a process where we take our 2D sketch and push it into the third dimension to create a solid shape. To do this, click on Finish Sketch and use the cube to rotate it, like this, and then click on Extrude. It will automatically select the shape, but if it doesn't, just click within it. You can use the arrow to drag it out or enter the dimension here or here. Let's make this 50 millimeter and enter. And now this is your first solid shape. And just like that, we created a solid 3D object. The shape is now a solid circular block. The beauty of Fusion is that you can go back and modify your design later, whether you want to change the size, thickness, or even the shape. To do this, you can go here to Sketch and go back into your sketch. And now you can increase the size or you can change the shape. And when you're done, click on Finish and it will be adjusted. And then to change the extrusion, you go down here and double click and then change this one. And hit OK. It's very easy. So to recap, we started by creating a sketch of a circle, then we extruded it into a 3D object. That's a simple process, but it's the foundation of almost every 3D model you will make. As you get more comfortable with Fusion 360, you will be able to experiment with a lot more complex designs. But starting with simple shapes like this circle is the key to mastering the software. That's it for today. You've now learned the basic tool for sketching, dimensioning, and extruding in Fusion. In the next episode, we'll build on these basics to create a more complex design. So take some time to practice with the solid circular shape or any other shape and experiment with modifying its size and thickness. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this tutorial helpful and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next video. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.